Hi, my name is Dr. Reza Baradrania and I'm the Program Director of Finance and Economics Programs at the University of South Australia. I have been working in finance area for about 12 years at higher education industry or finance industry. I have been at the University of South Australia for 5 years. I have a strong passion in investment and finance. Investment is my research area, and I'm fascinated by the fact that financial markets connects investors to businesses and improve people's welfare and grow the economy. We aim to create persons with the strong problem-solving, analytical and ethical skills who are eager and passionate to solve problems at the private and public sectors. Our program enables our students to approach problems innovatively. They do not focus on economics or finance. They relate these two disciplines to other disciplines, and that's why that our graduates are looked after by big companies, Big Four like KPMG, Deloitte, PwC, UniSuper, all these companies. This is based on the feedback that we've received from the employer of our graduates, that our students have got the holistic approach when they address a problem. The Bachelor of Business is the 3-year full-time program. Of course, it's possible to do it part-time and it takes a bit longer. There are different modes of offering. It can be done online, it can be done on the campus or the mix. In these programs, we've got 2 specializations, Bachelor of Finance and Bachelor of Business, Economics, Finance and Trade. We also have got a double degree in Accounting and Finance, Economics and Laws. Also, it is possible to do a combined degree, which is basically a Bachelor of Business in Economics or Finance, and almost any degrees in Business and Law. The most popular one is Finance and Law, which make our graduates more competitive in the job market, particularly for investment banking jobs. The key features of our programs are, number one, it is industry informed. We design our programs by having employability of our graduates in our mind. The second one is it provides opportunity to our students to gain real world experience by doing mentorship, internship, intrastate and overseas study tours. The last one is our IRS trading room, in which we've got the IRS trading software, which provides opportunity for our students to learn about the dynamics of financial markets. And IRS trading software is a software that is used by companies like Commonwealth Bank, NAB or ANZ. And students have got this opportunity to get this practical knowledge of trading. We receive a lot of questions from students about our finance and economics programs. Let me answer some of those questions. You can think of becoming a fund manager or portfolio manager in investment management company or asset allocation consultant when you need to make a decision about allocation of money between different asset classes, property, stocks, bonds, cryptocurrencies, and so on and so forth. Or finance manager or chief financial officer of a firm, or even investment banking is something that you can think of to be an investment banker. If you're interested in an economic focused job, I'd say you can think of becoming policy analyst or economist when you analyze the distribution of goods and services, consumption behavior of the people, and provide your policy advice to your client. We are at the early stage of the 4th industrial revolution with emerging technologies like blockchain, machine learning, artificial intelligence, robotic process, and so on and so forth. All the sectors have already impacted a bit by these technologies. I would say that financial sector is not the exception. So it will be impacted, it has already impacted by these emerging technologies. We will have, I would say that in near future we will see big difference in payment systems, in lending and borrowing, in capital raising, in investment management, the way that stock exchanges would operate. To me, in near future, we would see a lot of digitization and automation using these technologies in financial sector. The good news is that in our programs, we are monitoring the market. We know these changes are happening. We've got the industry advisory board that we regularly meet and consult with them. So we make sure that our graduates are job ready when they go to the market. Financial services sector is one of the most contributor to the economy of our nation. And there are plenty of opportunities for you as a graduate in finance and economics. RS Trading Room is a facility that helps our students to enhance their practical knowledge about financial markets, its dynamic, how it works, and how it relates to economy. In our trading room, they use real-time data. They use the exactly same software that the bigger player in finance industry used for trade, like NAB, or Commonwealth Bank or international institutions, to analyze the market, to buy and sell shares, and monitor their portfolio, and they buy or sell shares in the simulated environment. We are well equipped to provide you with the world-class education and training and prepare you for your dream job in finance and economics. And in our programs, we do not focus on only knowledge and theory and numerical skills. We also focus to enhance your interpersonal skills, communications and presentation skills, written skills, problem solving and analytical skills. And these skills are really important for employers, or even if you want to run your own business. In our program, you have the option to do bachelor degree in 3 years and then study 1 year extra courses at master level, and then you complete 2 degrees, bachelor degree and master degree in 4 years, which normally takes 5 years to have both. If you've got more questions about finance or economics programs, or you need more information about studying at University of South Australia, please get in contact with us. See you on the campus.